Hi chat. Welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? I don't even have to look at the date today because it's my birthday. It is July 5th of 2021 and Marsha's here. And right before the stream we had MXZXO that followed and Belle Dothis with the 10 bits. Did you get TTS to sing happy birthday? Did that actually work? And I guess it no longer needs to send. Oh yeah, we got Thug Bub the sub hanging out behind my head. I guess you no longer need to send royalties to Time Warner now that it is public domain, which is kind of cool. It said W Free Schools properly too. Nice. All right, let me say hi to everyone who is here. Beldothis was first. We can put this screen up. Why is that not working? Oh, because I already had that screen up. Duh. I know how my buttons work. Beldothis was first. Nero Miss here. Drunk Time Lord says Frist. And happy birthday, Dad. I mean Anthony. Interesting choice of words there, Drunk Time Lord. Indie Monkey, good to see you. Hello, hello. The Dick Sword sounds were me. I forgot to mute Dick Sword, and we were talking some shit in a group chat, but it was my bad. My bad. Should I click on W3 Schools chat? Should I do it? Should I do it? JJMC, thank you for the bits. Hey, I got it to sing happy birthday again. Thank you for the bits. Appreciate that. Welcome, welcome. The other server is here. Hello, hello. Gryffindor is here. Mewtwo has resubbed at 7 months. Mewtwo, you have a new color. I see you've changed the color of your name. Welcome back. It's good to see you. If you guys don't know somehow that Mewtwo streams, you should check out Mewtwo. Where's that? I'm trying a different thing with my microphone today to make it echo less because yeah, this room echoes. I have purchased acoustic panels that I will be putting up tomorrow, I think. Wait, is tomorrow Tuesday? No, Wednesday. Wednesday. I will be putting them up Wednesday. So until then, we're just going to deal with the slightly subpar audio experience, and I'm sorry, but there's not much I can do about it. Hey Edge, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I thought about like hanging blankets on the walls, but I have like nothing to put things on walls, so oh well. Oh well. ABC123, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Waylon Walker, good to see you. Mewtwo says, oh shit, happy birthday. Thank you, thank you. Sarcastic Dante, good to see you. Metabytes, hello, hello. Marsha, of course. Arclight Savic, it's been a while, Arclight. It's good to see you again. Welcome back. Oh wait, I should. Okay, did I set my title? I forgot to set my title last time. Okay, we're good. We're good. I set the title this time. But I didn't do this. Working on commit CI, adding more languages. I think that's what we're gonna try and do. And hopefully do it in a sustainable way that's performant and blah 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 blah. And roll it out safely as well, and I don't know, a whole bunch of stuff. It's gonna be tricky, but I spent some of the 40 odd hours driving thinking about this problem and how I would solve it. So we're gonna try and do some of that today. Oh god, the echo is actually driving me nuts because you know when you like hear yourself talk but slightly afterwards, that's happening to me constantly. So it's just like, ah. But I got some of the bestigons, so we're gonna put up some bestigons in my room to hopefully make it not so echoey. I have most of my furniture set up, so at some point we will be able to do a little house tour. There's still two things in boxes though, so I'm not quite set up yet, but that will happen eventually. Should probably move Bub so that you can actually see Bub, huh? I thought that would be far enough frame, but I guess not. Then I won't be able to open the door. This is a bad idea. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is a lot for absolutely nothing. There we go. Now we got... No, that didn't make it any better. Oh well, fuck it. Good enough. TTS worked, it also said W3 schools properly. Nice! Mitri says hell yeah. Yes. I love our talking shit chat. Yeah, it's so good. So good. The Armchair General. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you again. JJMC, welcome back and thank you again for the bits. Dota! It's been a while. I see you in Juice's chat all the time, but you don't come by here very often. But it's good to see you. Hello, hello. Outdated version! Says happy birthday! Welcome back, Outdated version. No W3, good vibes only. I've found, I think maybe my new favorite beer. So we might, if it's cold, I just put it in the fridge like an hour ago. If it's cold, we'll go grab one. Dota says, do you think Python 2.7 will be deprecated now that it's Anthony's birthday? It's been deprecated for, it's been dead. It's dead. I don't deal with Python 2 anymore. Well, Mitri says she streams Kappa. Isn't that, there's like a thing. Oh, why is my microphone, why is did this sound settings reset? I changed them before stream. Nice properties, no, it's at 70. But I've been peaking, which is weird. I don't know, whatever, fuck it. Good enough. Grivenborg has set the MOTD to echo, 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 echo. Interesting choice. Urdemp SMF. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. She streams streams on the stream store. What? What? The other says hammer a giant nail into the new wall just to hang a blanket. I mean, I would have. Hey, Princhun! How's it going? Good to see you. It's been a while. Hello, hello. Oh, I'm so far behind in chat. Yes, the best gods. Marco Gavelli, good to see you as well. Arc-like Sonic says, the stream is EU-friendly now. Bless Chicago. I am in Ann Arbor, Michigan, so even better than Chicago. The wall behind you says no furniture setup. I mean, this is a small room that, yeah, I will be putting up like a shelving thing behind me. But almost all of my furniture that I want to get set up is set up. So like, I have a bed, I have a dresser, I have a set of drawers to put things in, I have side tables, I have a couch. My kitchen was already set up, so I don't have to really do anything there. Pretty much everything is set up and ready to go. Except for this room, except for my stream room. I need to put something behind me so that I can hang my microphone, because right now it's sitting in the old microphone stand on my desk, which is not ideal. I need to put something behind me so I can put stuff in it, but the furniture store I went to didn't have bookshelves, which, what the fuck's the point of a furniture store if it doesn't have bookshelves? But yeah. Fallen hello, hello. It's been a while, Anthem. My subscription ran out. Just stopping by to say happy birthday real quick. Well, it's good to see you, Fallen Gato. Yeah, it has been a while because I moved and did not stream during that week. But I'm back and we should be streaming about as often or more often as before. Hey, what's up, Jay Carey? Hello, hello. Happy birthing day. That makes it sound weird. But welcome back. It's good to see you. Dota says, your Dixord is too popular, Anthony. Slow down your Dixord like 200x, and I'll check it. Oh, I mean, like, you don't have to show up on the Dixord. You can show up to stream, though. You can also mute all the channels, except for, like, announcements, if that's your jam. Drink says, GitHub Copilot violates or doesn't violate copyright. That's the current debate. Yeah, I think it'll be interesting to see whether someone takes this to court and what the courts decide. Because from a very strict reading of most licenses, what GitHub Copilot creates would be considered a derivative work. And most derivative works would have to include the license of the things that they, derive from. That said, if that were the case, anything that GitHub Copilot produces would have to have, millions of licenses, which maybe it should, and then, licenses become useless and we're back to square one with just like impossible, licensing issues, something like that. Yuka with Data, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. And just, for full clarity, I'm not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. I don't fucking know what I'm talking about. I'm just a software engineer. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what comes of that. I don't really care either way. All of the code that I write, I license permissively, and it's fairly easy to follow my license if you're gonna literally copy and paste it. I think GitHub Copilot changes it enough, or like creates enough of a different set of work that it's fair use. There are some cases where GitHub Copilot will, directly regurgitate the original code, which seems not ideal, but I think those cases are relatively rare compared to other stuff. But yeah. Rudolph Does Games says happy birthday. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Grimborg says we've all been peeking. Did you break it again? No. Maybe. Oh my god, I'm still 5 minutes behind. Lup Lup! Hello, hello! Good to see you. Exonity! Welcome back. A Edge says, where are you from? I grew up in Michigan. I spent 8 years in California, and now I'm back in Michigan as of last week. Where am I from? The internet. Yeah, there you go. Jack W. Burge, hello, hello. Who says, merry birthday. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Are you friends with Tej? I didn't know Tej was in Michigan. I do know of Tej. I've watched his stream a couple times. But I do not know Tej in real life. I didn't even know he was in Michigan. But that's cool. Ampersand Arbor? Yeah, right, Marsha? Will you have your work set up in the same room now? No. I'm gonna still make sure that my work setup is separate from everything else. Privacy Monkey! Hello, hello, welcome to the stream. Are you trying to break my chat? Are you mucking around with this? Good luck. You can break it. Yeah, by all means, go for it. Third time it says, hey Anthonk, you're a partner now, so you can make like 20 more emotes, right? Or is that not how it works? Yes, that is how it works. I have lots of emote slots at the moment. Let me show you. Where's the thing? Community? No. Content? No. What the fuck is it? Settings? There you go. Settings, partner. Where is it? Where the fuck are emotes? Where did they move them? Oh my god, every time. Oh, there's my stream key! Oh no! Is it here? No. Oh my god, where is it? Stream? Oh, where do you look at this? Viewer rewards. Surely that's where it is. Okay. It seems like every time I look at this, they move something. Oh wait, what? I have 67 slots? That doesn't sound right. Wait, I have 67 slots? Oh no, I have 5 open slots. Okay. I was like, there's no way. There's no way. Oh, I guess I have 10 open slots because I have 5 animated slots and 5 non-animated slots. Are these ordered in some way? Huh. And then I have tier 2 and tier 3 slots. Wait, there's no tier 2 animated slots? Seems weird. That seems weird. And if we get up to 350 subs, then I get another emote slot. But I have so many right now that, like, I need to come up with ideas. There is an animated emote that is coming soon. I'm not gonna spoil it, but I think it's gonna be one of my favorites. So look out for that when it comes. Furniture means you can sit on it. Who sits on a bookshelf? Not that attitude. Our faces furniture? Wait. Adrian, hello. Good to see you again. Jacob, welcome back. Good to see you. Waylon Walker says, new job or just a move? So I got a job back in February. But this is me going from COVID remote to remote. Bork says, haven't the courts ignored free and open source software for ages? Kind of. No booty! Bark party, bark. I love the TTS and the bark party. No booty, thank you for the resub at 11 months. It's good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. Hello. Far as I know, even BSD 3 clause hasn't been litigated. Really? I feel like it has. Then it says Microsoft versus the world. Who do you think? Do you think the world wins? I don't know that the world is against Microsoft, but sure. What was the beer you like now? Since you're on the East Coast, I recommend People's Porter. I'll have to check that out. But yeah, let me go see if it's cold, and then I will pour myself one. So I will be right back. Yeah, we'll even leave the stream on, sure. What could go wrong? Alright, so this beer is going to seem really gimmicky because it is, but it's fucking delicious. Okay, so the beer is called a French Toast Oatmeal Stout, and it really fucking tastes like French toast. It's by Rourke Brewing Company, Rourke Brewing Company, which is a local Michigan microbrew in Royal Oak, Michigan. I have a friend who lives there, I think. At least they used to. It's not quite as cold as I would want it to be, but I'm sure it'll be good enough. And I have chilled mugs, so that'll cool it down a little bit as well. But cheers to being fucking old, chat. That smells so good. Cheers, chat. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. So good. Oh wow, AQI is 68 in Ann Arbor. That's probably because it's hot out today. 48105. Yeah. It's warm today. It's gonna rain this week, which is gonna be fun. See, the interesting thing, if you see where 50% precipitation in like Michigan, that probably means it's gonna be a 50-50. In California, if you see like 30% precipitation, it's gonna fucking rain. The end server says this one from Copilot. Did you see the one where it generated SendGrid keys? Oh my god. Evil floating point, bit level hacking, what the fuck? Wow, it actually gets a license in here. That's kind of neat. When did you grow up? Am I grown up? Color Margu, hello, hello. Miss Jalary, good to see you both. Tita T22, welcome back. D-Duz says happy birthday, Boomer. Peach wears a hat that says Michigan. Nice. Well, does he actually live here? I mean, I've worn a hat with Michigan. Oh, Jack W. Burridge has converted from a Prime sub to a Tier 1 sub. Thank you for your subscription, Jack W. Burridge. I don't know why Streamlabs doesn't notify me of that, but I can see that. Ow. Ow. Oh, that was dumb. Privacy Monkey says, just testing. I see. Karan, hello, hello. Welcome back. Don't break his bot on his birthday. No, break my bot. Break my bot whenever you want. I would be happy to debug my bot. JDMSY, good to see you. Recursive chat. Recursive Kernel Panic was here last stream. You missed them. You'll have to catch them now. Dota says, anything stop fake secret leaking chat. Wait, what? Wait, what? Victor says, it's annoying when settings pages don't have a global search. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, when I faked you out by being like, oh, my stream key. Delete 2 emotes for the optimal number of slots. Oh, yeah, to get it up to 69. Yep. Local streamer eventually learns what emotes are. Yeah. Yup, indeed, indeed. Did somebody say anime sluts? No, I did not. 100 scrubbers confirmed? Yeah, I'm 100 and some odd. I'm 112 sub points at the moment. I'm guessing it's ADC button? No, it's gonna be better than that. Hold on this. ADC ghost? No, even better than that. ADC garbage? No, even better than that. It's gonna be really good. It's gonna be really good. A toast with French toast, yeah. French toast beer tilde equals champagne. Alabona, hello, hello, good to see you. 90s 30C, it's hot AF in the States, yeah. 30C here is like sweltering hot, don't leave the basement. Well, fortunately, I have air conditioning. Fortunately, I have air conditioning. Marco says, so you're telling me Google's weather forecast isn't well calibrated? No, it's like any weather forecast seems to be like that. Like 15% precipitation in California means it's gonna fucking rain, and like 50% anywhere else is a coin flip. It just seems to be that way. Griffith Bark says, sock on, bed made, mug chilled, beer poured, RTX voice enabled, it's time to program. Oh, actually, it was not enabled, but now we should have ye old RTX voice. There you go. It's famous Quake 3 source code? Yeah, I'm familiar with it. Due to floating point fuckery. Marsma, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you again. Prime to normal doesn't notify because it's just a change for the next potential set. Oh, I see. So what it does is it makes it so when you resub, it'll resub automatically. Got it. Stugatz, welcome to the stream. It says it's 50C at 2 p.m. Oh. That's like what, 115? 122, Jesus. What? Where are you? Where is it possibly that hot? Oh my god. It's nice to have the MET office in the UK. Its forecast is quite good for the UK. Oh, I see. Nice. I just get excited and think he's talking to me when he's talking to Marsma. Rip. Sorry, Marsha. Ah, you're in Saudi Arabia. Interesting. Are you living in Canada? Yeah. I'm surprised they even bother reporting percentages, as it seems that most people interpret forecasts about 50% as they said it would rain. If it doesn't, they're wrong. Yeah, that's true. Just plays again that broke all records, hit 49C as dozens of people died. Holy shit. iMagic, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. All right, so we haven't worked on anything in a while. So the plan today is to work on pre-commit CI, and I want to first check my to-do list and see if there's something higher priority. But otherwise, we're going to be finally... Oh my goodness. Keyboard, how do? We're going to finally add more languages to pre-commit CI. This is probably quick and easy to do, but not that high priority. This I've been meaning to do for a while, but I don't quite know how the metrics are going to work out, and it doesn't really cost me much to leave it on. I need to do that at some point. I need to do that at some point. Need to figure out what that does. Need to do this, but I don't really want to write JavaScript right now. I think this is impossible. This is quick, but I can't do it online. This is what we're going to be working on today. I need to do this at some point. I messaged GitHub and they're like, "Oh yeah, oops, sorry, the shadow banned user kept breaking your account." I'm like, "What? Why? Why can't you just like turn off, send me a deletion message when you shadow ban them? That would be way better." But they're like, "Well, we can't tell you whether they're shadow banned or not." And I was like, I can kind of tell. I can kind of tell they're shadow banned. Stugat says, I lived in Canada for 5 years when I was a kid. Oh, Michigan is so close to Canada, you might as well come here and live in an igloo. So the thing is, I can drive south to Canada. Which is my favorite dumb meme. But if we start in Ann Arbor here. Oh, wait, maybe I can't drive south to Canada. Oh, maybe I'm exactly east. I mean, this part of Canada is south, but I think we'd have to drive north to get to Windsor. Oh man, I can't make that joke. Damn. I mean, usually when I make that joke, I live up. Where the fuck is Oxford? Brandon Township. It's over here. Yeah. Usually I live up over here, so then I can drive south to Canada. Damn. Can't make that joke anymore. Sucks. But yeah, there's a bit of Canada that's. Yeah. So you know that fucking Journey song where they're like South Detroit. Detroit's right here. South Detroit is Windsor, which is in fucking Canada. Detroit basically doesn't have a South Detroit. It has a West, it has a North, and it has an East. But there is no South. He's practically Canadian. He already has the pronunciation down. He just said sorry. It's true. I did just say sorry. Kung Fu me. I do not miss those days. Yeah. There's no hockey stick in the background though. Yeah, it's true. It's true. There's a violin case and carpet, and thug bub. I kind of had much to do recently. How you did your CDN? Wait, I don't know what you're saying. The answer. I think you're asking how did your CDN end up working? So I have it to the point where all of the infra is set up, but the deployment is not. So essentially, we're getting out some MS Paint. Here we go. So the way the CDN works is there is an S3 bucket, S3 bucket, and then there is CloudFront. This is AWS CloudFront, which just reads. That's not my line tool. Ethan! Whoa! Whoa! 2 years of subscription. Thank you for the resub. Ethan, it's good to see you again. God damn, 2 years. Oh. I'm coming up on my. I guess that means I'm coming up on my 3 years of streaming, right? Yeah. But anyway, okay, so CloudFront reads by their two directional arrow. CloudFront reads from the S3 bucket, not a two directional arrow. DevK, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And I also have Cloud. Oops, that's not this tool. I also have Cloudflare, which is what I use for my DNS. And so this is from cdn.precommit.ci. And that does a special CNAME handshake with CloudFront. So it reads from CloudFront, which reads from S3. So there's caching here and caching here, which is a little bit silly. And then the part that I haven't done yet, which is I need to upload assets here. And basically what I'm going to do is, your typical asset hashing pipeline where you SHA-256 or grab some chunk of it and um, partition your URLs based on that. So I'll just be doing S3 puts, and I will have to tell my web app portion to generate those special CDN URLs and blah 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 blah, all that sort of stuff. But that's kind of how it works. Terraform is not too complicated for it. CloudFront CDN. Okay, so I mean it is 70 lines of um, Terraform, but so you have to start with a cert and a Cloudflare record. This is to um, tell AWS that I actually own this domain. Then I have to make a CloudFront distribution. This took a lot of work to get all the settings properly figured out. But it's basically alias so that the CNAME works. And then hook it up to the S3 bucket, and then only allow get and head, require HTTPS, and drop cookies and query string, and disable geo restriction, and require SSL, but serve it only with SNI. So this is the CloudFront part. And then after that, all you need is a CNAME. So it took a lot of work to automate this, but it does work, which is cool. How many people are using Frequency I now? I haven't checked in a while. AWS, Dynamo, describe table name. What is the table called? I can try and move carpet. The thing is, I don't know if carpet's gonna fall off because carpet is very top heavy. Oh, there you go. Is that better? Thank you for the bit. I actually don't have a shiny Embryon. I have like 10 shiny Eevees, but I don't have a shiny Embryon. I could evolve one, but. What is the user table called? Oh, I think it's called installs. Oh, that's dev. There are 385 users of Precommit CI, and I believe 6 of them are paid, which is cool. Precommit CI now pays for itself, so I'm at break even, which is cool. Toronto is more south than a lot of the state. Yeah, it's true. Is that Detroit Eagles hockey rinks? Kinda. Marco says, knowing there's no such thing as South Detroit is going to make me incredibly popular at my company's 80s themed social next week. Oh no. Oh no. And then Ethan, hello. Don't Stop Believin' is a famous 80s song, and I'll point it out when those lyrics come out. Yeah. Yeah. This is why I'm great at parties too. How does ADS Infinidash fit into? Okay, what the fuck is the meme about Infinidash? Because I don't know what it is, but for some reason, like my entire Twitter feed yesterday was just AWS Infinidash. What is it, and why do I care? Can somebody actually explain it to me? New? Okay, all right. Goes viral. Okay. So it's not just me like being like, huh, that's weird. This seems like it's been really popular for something that I don't understand. Wait, so this dude made up this technology. Okay, so it's not actually real. Oh my god. Oh, okay. So Signal memed about it. That's why it got super popular. Okay, that makes sense. um, but it's just a meme, right? Right? A very, very in-depth meme. I'm getting across my company's doing no 80s social. Oh, okay. Dota says, "Are you a small town girl?" Yeah, with cheap perfume. Do you have any edge lambdas? No. Yes. No. What do you mean edge lambdas? Do I have any? Are you saying do I have any Cloudflare workers? I don't have any Cloudflare workers. Double caching, yeah, right, Whisper. Happy birthday, thank you, Ethan. Opteen says, "Happy birthday. If you enjoy the rest of your life." Damn, that's fucking morbid. Hey, you're older. Hope you enjoy the rest of your life, motherfucker. Why do you use var.env and not workspace? I don't. Workspaces are. What are workspaces, Jack W. Burge? Terraform workspaces. I don't know. This worked, so I did it. I don't actually run Terraform. I use Terraform Cloud. I mean, I don't directly run it. But I guess you're saying I could access the workspace name directly? In Terraform Cloud are maybe those are already workspaces? Yeah, maybe it already works. Maybe I can use workspaces. I'll put it in my to-do. And we'll look at that later. To-do. Can I just use workspaces instead of var.env? Question mark. It's Terraform. Not that I'll forget. But thank you for the suggestion, Jack. Appreciate that. Search is miserable. I do that manually outside of Terraform like a pleb. Oh, I got it working. It worked pretty well. Kung Fu Me says, haven't used CloudFront before, but it looks exactly like Terraform. Yeah, that was Terraform code. Carbon is so polite, yeah. There's no rude person here. That's right. Pick the rude people. Griffenberg says, last week somebody was literally like, let's make up a new AWS service and see how long until recruiters add it to job descriptions. My company is hiring, looking for 10 years experience in InfiniDash and 20 years in Docker. Yeah. Clearly you don't get it because you're a boomer. Oh, I mean, the reason I don't understand it is because I only saw it while I was moving across the country and spending 11 hours driving and then like occasionally flicking through Twitter after or like right before passing out and going to sleep. So I got a little bit of an excuse there. Jack has a link to editing lambdas. Put your code closer to your users. Oh, this is for CloudFront lambdas. Yeah, I'm just serving static assets, so I don't really need to do that. I'm just serving direct content. But this is kind of the same as a CloudFront worker, Cloudflare worker. Oh my god. Oh, there's too many things that have the word cloud in them and have F's in them and are basically the same thing. And oh, it's so easy for me to confuse CloudFront and Cloudflare. I know what the two are, and I know what they are separately. Dota says, wait, I use workspaces. Am I actually occasionally smarter than Andy? I'm pretty sure I use workspaces too, but I didn't really think about it. How do I app.terraform.io? You need to sign in or sign up. All right. Let me sign in by getting the password from my password manager and then setting the MFA code. I know you can see me type it on screen, but whatever. The thing is just to delay you seeing it. Yeah, I have workspaces. So I can just access the workspace name directly? Is what you're saying? Conference lovely until you have to remember the date from 2012. Yeah. Are you talking about the policy date? You can just leave it out. It defaults to the right thing, right? Infinidash, new PogChamp, trended DevOps, yeah. He says, Anthony, you showed it to me and explained it was a joke, and I'm still confused. Too many AWS services. I'm very happy I don't have to worry about which one to use anymore. Yeah, once you get things set up, you don't really worry about it. Bot Bada Thumbner. That's what I'm going with. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Dead static asset. Damn girl, look at your assets. Like that? Is that what you wanted, Marsha? Cloudflare front worker. Yeah. Dang it, he is smarter than me. Be careful about phone number. Yeah. Quick name every AWS service. AWS. Yeah. You can inject environment variables, I think is what he's saying. Oh no, what he's saying is like right now what I have is we go to this workspace and look at variables. I have some variables set, but I don't need this one at all because I can just use the workspace name directly. So I don't need to do this env prod, is what they're saying. You know what? Fuck it, we'll just do it right now. Let's do it right now. Get check out master. Yeah, to do to done, right? Get grep var.env. var.env. Workspace.name. Yes, yes. Good thing they're still the same. Let's see what this does. We'll run a plan. ECS equals entropy chaos. I mean, it might as well be. ECS is fucking garbage. Why don't you just use OpenCloud? Oh no. AS even has a quantum computer? They do? Huh. But I thought it says yeah, like that. Oh, cool. Well, I'm glad I got your name right. Specs! Hello, hello. Welcome back. Apparently, workspace name is not what I want. Workspace name Terraform. Oh, it's terraform.workspace. Workspace.name terraform.workspace. Yes. Oh man. That was like super satisfying setup key presses right there. TF plan. Specs says happy birthday. Thank you, Specs. Good to see you again. Welcome back. Pataphemet says happy birthday, by the way. Indeed. Thank you, thank you. Zenthrius, good to see you again. Kermit speaking words of wisdom. Nice clip built on this. Oh. Oh my, what? Oh yeah, just lots of resources. I get it now. I thought it'd be rude to directly explain how to fix it. Oh, it's fine. This has me concerned. Why? Well, we'll put it in a PR. Maybe in a blower glass it'll look less jank. It's a string, right? Yeah. It should not be used in remote operation against Terraform Cloud workspaces. Additionally, the Terraform.workspace interpolation sequence should be removed from Terraform configurations that run remote operations against Terraform Cloud workspaces. So this is not going to work. But a good suggestion nonetheless. It would have been cool if it worked, but it doesn't. Rippy Dibby. For that deleted a lot of branches. But to none. Can't do that. Would have been nice, but unfortunately we cannot. AWS even has a service for connecting to ground stations if you happen to have a satellite up. Wait, what? AWS bracket is a total ripoff. Oh yeah, Ethan does all sorts of stuff in quantum computing. So you are the sir that knows all the things about this. Spec says, thanks, been a while as my sleep schedule is absolutely wrecked. I've spent most of my time doing low-level exploit stuff. Oh. Well, Specs, my stream schedule will be changing. Well, the first Saturday stream is already at the adjusted time. Today's stream is at a weird time because there's, I don't have work today. It's a holiday. And it would have been earlier today, but my dad and I went for a 27-mile bike ride, which it's like 50, 40, 40, 44, 43 and change kilometers. So that was a nice long bike ride. That's why I can't really tell on the camera. I'm a little bit sunburned. You can kind of see it in the cheeks here. But yeah, just a little bit sunburned. But yeah. Seems like that finer place is faster on IntelliJ. I mean, maybe. Spec says mostly writing shellcode, but now I've been doing it in the mix of sitcom. Oh, cool. Why haven't you gotten Terraform 1.x? Is Terraform 1.x out? Terraform latest version. Oh. Well, let's update. Why not? Get else files. Terraform.pp. Latest is 1.0.1 according to that thing. Oh, we can just click on this. Fortunately, I was helpful. Past me was like, oh yeah, here you go. How do I get the checksum? Blah, blah, blah. We'll just make it tell me the checksum. Right? Oh, actually, I think what you have to do to make it tell you the checksum is just break this. And then we need to remove. I think the last one I had was a 14.5. Yeah. So this will fail, but then we'll fix it. Type in my bad password. Make a local. Yeah, that would maybe work, but it would also be not different than what I'm already doing. So yet another new, again, Terraform. Okay, here we go. Just gonna trust that this is the right thing. Wait, what is it? Oh, it's rebuilding the virtual environment because my system Python version changed. Default workspace is default? Yeah. But with Terraform Cloud, it's always going to be default. independent of whether they're separate workspaces or not. That's what the docs just said. Really need the quality you can pay through the nose, but for playing around, it's just IBM's offerings. Yeah. For quantum stuff, IBM has a lot of like open source available stuff too as well. You might be able to just write them a letter and they'll give you access to whatever you need. Madvlash says, why do you write tooling in Python? Why not C or Rust? I mean, why not C is a very easy question. Because C is not memory safe, and I mean I have written one C tool. I have a C tool. I have worked on another C tool. I guess I've written some tooling in C. But and I guess the reason why not Rust, most of the tooling that I've written that's popular was written before Rust was really usable. And it's just much easier to prototype and get stuff working and correct with Python than it is with Rust. What the fuck is happening? Why is this taking so long? What are we building from source? What are you doing, Pip? Pip install Azure Cli is taking forever? Why? What is it doing? Concern. It completed. Why did that take so long? Pip install -v Azure Cli no caster. Who's building from source? Oh, is it just that there's a fuck ton of dependencies? It just keeps installing things. This is probably ruining stream compression. We're gonna tab off that for a second. Nemin, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, it's running a lib2-3 on something. That's why it's taking forever. Build lib GitHub. Why does the Azure Cli require PyGitHub? And why is PyGitHub still using lib2-3? What fucking year is it? Hello? Oh, do you like all these blank lines here? This is a bug in setup tools. I thought this bug got fixed, but I guess not. Oh no, this is a new bug in pip. What the fuck? Why is it installing PyInvoke? Do you love these? Just like random blank lines here? Good job, Pip. Terraform.pp. I thought I had fixed this already, but I guess not. Okay, that was absurd. It should not have taken that long to do whatever it did. But holy fucking shit. Look at all these packages it installed. Kind of want to see why PyGitHub gets pulled in. Visualize requirements, dev standard in AWS. AWS, what's it called? No, Azure dash Cli. Azure dash Cli. Azure Cli. Yeah, I definitely just confused Azure and AWS. Pigments. PyGitHub gets pulled in by Azure Functions DevOps build? It's a peer dependency. Who is the thing that pulls in all this shit? Probably like Azure Meta 1 or some shit. I don't know why it needs GitHub API though. I guess Azure is being more integrated. Anyway, I don't actually care. Never mind. Never mind. Wait, why is he not resting us? I mean, I could write rest. Jack Bird says, "Damn, apologies." No, it's fine. It's fine. I learned something. Um, and yeah. Bring him inside their form. Does this not? Is there like a one? Is there an upgrade command? There's usually an upgrade command if there's some breaking change, right? Form validate. Come on, Posh. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. So in theory, what I should be able to do is where's my Terraform cloud? Here we go. Terraform version. 1.0.1. Save. I gotta do that for dev. 1.0.1. Save. Whoa! Welcome from the Vape Nation. I got it right. I was like, oh no, it's gonna be backwards. How's it going? Welcome, Raiders, from Vape Juice Jordan. If you somehow don't know Jordan, I don't know how you wouldn't know Jordan. Everyone knows Jordan. Jordan is like the most popular person there is. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. Happy birthday. Can I see your package? Get that Rockstar cringe out of here. Do you want to see some of my packages, chat? Let me come in here real close and I'll show you some of my VPI packages. Ooh, look at all these packages. But welcome. Thank you for the raid. Hopefully you're doing well. Thank you for the happy birthday messages. I appreciate it. And it's good to see all of you. Let's go, Vape Nation. I'm so far behind on chat. I'm 12 minutes behind on chat. I'm 12 minutes behind on chat. Okay, we're gonna speedrun chat so I can catch up and say hi to all the raiders. Terra Grunt as well? No, I don't want to do Terra Grunt. What's the bike ride's altitude change? Essentially 0. A lot of work on going quantum secure cryptography. SH is planning use it with flyers. Oh, that would be cool. DeLorean and Oscar Jar. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Updating Terraform. What's how the Big Bang happen? Oh no. Why didn't pre-commit bump your Terraform? Because it's not handled with Terraform. What's cooking, good looking? Says Wanzi. Hello, welcome back. It's cooking right now, although I had a burrito for lunch, which was good. Is that virtual every building new? I should check out your public config. Yeah, it basically does version validation, and if the system version changes, it tries to fix itself. Non-assault, thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate that. Amos Davari says, whose birthday? It's my birthday. It's me. Have you ever played with Genie? I don't think so. Mr. J, good to see you again. Hello. You're not part of the Rust Evangelism Strike Force? I played with Rust a little bit. I'm not very good at it. I want to write, but I have not. Updating Terraform is going to take the whole stream. Those files in there are gigabits? Well, I have gigabit Ethernet, and I already updated, so in theory it worked fine. We can run a run and see what happens. In theory, nothing changed. Queue plan manually. Queue. In theory, it should just be a no-op. Spec says, bro, why not writing in Rust or Golang? Yeah. Maybe this needs time to install Infinidash? Yeah. I don't know if you know this or not, but Azure Client installs an entire Windows OS. That wouldn't surprise me. No. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Bank's still using 2 or 3. Yeah, right. Right. Maybe it's just one really big new line. Yeah. Uh, it's not AOS. It was actually Azure's stuff. It's pip being broken. How's your Iron 3 Oxide going? A Common Clash, level low. And then there's the raid. Mewtwo said, happy birthday, can I see your package? So, send me a DM, Mewtwo. No, I'm just... No. Not creepy like that. Strange HD, Manasomnia, Trash Tab. Hey, how's it going, Trash? Good to see you. Trash is another programmer who streams with all of us. We got Slifer and CGR DMZ. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Manasumia wants to know my operating system. Trent says, you are tan. Yeah, it's true. I have been outside a lot, so I am very not white as of recent. I'm very off-white. Oh no, why is... Oh no, what? Objects have changed outside of Terraform. Oh yeah, that makes total sense. Just the lambda values. But it shouldn't be a problem, right? No changes. Sick. Undefined. Everything is working perfectly. It's true. Jordan is the cool guy. Yeah, Jordan's way cooler than all the rest of us. That's just the way it goes. Even says those are some sexy packages. I mean, we have a lot of packages. ADT Pretty being still on your PyPI packages makes me sad. Add glitter to it or something. Yeah, ADT Pretty's pretty good. But it's less necessary in the latest version of Python. But I use this thing a lot. Very, very useful for debugging ASTs and running formatters and linters and that sort of stuff. But in the latest version of Python, ast.parse 6 plus 6, sure, 6 plus. Yeah, boring that. ast.dump, kind of useless, but you can do indent equals true. Or we can ask help. Oh, I need to be on new enough version. I think it's 3.9, maybe? 6 plus 9. ast.dump. Indent. It's true. Oh. Indent equals true is the same as doing indent equals 1, because true is a boolean and booleans are integers. That's what I meant to do with indent equals like 4. So there's this mode, but I find this really ugly and really hard to follow. But there is a built-in way to do it, so it's not necessarily needed. Dust NZL, hello, hello. UK Luke feels birthday man. And Nonasol, thank you for the prime. Appreciate that. Slifer says, what is Precommit? Oh, Precommit is my baby. Precommit is my baby. So Precommit is a linter and code formatter framework thing. The basic idea behind it being you set up a config file that lists the versions and tools you want in a bunch of different programming languages. Despite it being written in Python, it supports 10 or 15 programming languages. And Precommit will, integrate with GitHooks if you want, but the real selling point is it installs all those tools for you, so you don't have to worry about it. You just say, I want these tools, and it sets them up and runs them against your code base. Yeah, and it tends to work pretty well. And what we're working on today is Precommit CI, which is a CI system based around this tool. The idea being you've already set up your linters, code formatters, fixers, etc. This tool can run in continuous integration and do it very quickly. and do nice stuff like auto fix your pull requests or be much faster than any other free service via caching, and it can auto update those versions for you, which is pretty cool. So we're going to be trying to add a bunch of different programming languages today to Precommit CI. Precommit already has it, but Precommit CI does not. Jiggly bits. Still not used to seeing the new profile picture? Yeah, I mean, neither am I. Sometimes I'm like, who the fuck is this guy saying all these really, really intelligent things? Oh, wait, it's me. Or, who the fuck is this asshole? Oh, wait, it's me. Could you imagine waiting 12 minutes after raid to get a what were you working on? Yeah. Oh, right. I guess I should talk about what I'm working on. I should talk about myself. My name is Anthony. Oh man, all the raiders are gone now. I'm just being silly. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python stuff. Yeah, I maintain a bunch of open source libraries that you might have heard of, such as PyTest, Flake8, PyFlakes, Precommit, PyTest. Wait, I already said PyTest. Talks, Dead Snakes, PyCode Style, AST Pretty. No, whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, I mostly work in open source on Stream. I work at Stripe. I like developer productivity and tooling and that sort of stuff. I don't know. That's the best question. That's the best part. Leave a question. Do your chores. Come back with a response. Yeah. Brian says lots of ASMR today. Well, the microphone's right here, so I can play this game. But yeah. Chickbridge says looks to be bundles as you have a source code hash check. So the way that I do, so I don't actually do my Lambda deploys with Terraform. I set them up with a file name. This should really be changed to placeholder. I thought I did this already. I thought I changed this to place. Oh, right. When I changed it from dummy to placeholder, it caused all the things to be rewritten. So this is fucked. But I upload using put function code or whatever it is. So I don't know whether that's bundles or images. What is the difference, Jack? Hey, what's up? I hate chemistry. Hello, though. I actually like chemistry, but indent is an int. Never mind, I thought it was JSON. Never mind that. Never mind. Yeah, no, it totally is. It totally is an int, but booleans are also ints, so it still worked. Probably had a special case for indent equals true. Should I do it? Probably not. It's just kind of how things. It's just how. It's just how Python works. Is it AST pretty? No, this was just standard lib. AST has AST.tom. Mana says, have you explored GitHub Copilot? So I was part of the pre-alpha. Unfortunately, I was moving across the country during the alpha of Copilot, so I didn't really get a chance to try it. And I still haven't gotten a chance to try it. But I am in the pre-alpha, whatever. I could try it if I wanted to. Zither says, oh yeah, you updated your profile picture. I was so surprised. Yeah, I was like, you know what? This is a nice picture that Mewtwo took. We'll update it. That's not what I want to do. Look, it's me and some flowers. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this poto. Look at this photograph. But yeah. Next time you update it, it needs to be in 2029 in 8 years. Well, yeah, because the original one was from. Well, it would have to be 9-year intervals. The original one was from 2012. Konik! Konik, good to see you again. Thank you for the resub with Prime at 14 months. Where's your love peak L, Konik? I'm waiting for it. I gotta see it. Bundles or zips, images or Docker images. Oh yeah, I'm not doing the Docker. The Docker image stuff costs too much. Bundles, the code bundles are free. So I don't need any of the other special stuff. Nice photo. Now let's see the commit graph. I mean, my commit graph has a few blank spots because I was moving, but it's still pretty nutty. Today is currently a blank spot. Oh, it's auto update day. Oh shit! Wait, it's auto update day. Did auto update fail? Wait a minute. Today's auto update day, right? What time is it supposed to run? Um. Um. Wow, I got it right the first time. Did auto update work today, chat? Where's my phone? Cloud. Why are you buzzing a phone? What? Who texted? Hello? No one texted me. Wait, I just got an Amazon package. Why are they delivering today? Oops. Cloud Wash. We might get a live auto update today, unless it already happened. Did it already happen? Did we miss it? Uh-oh, it failed. Shit. Shit. Alright, well, we're gonna get a live update, auto update. God damn it. That means it failed. I gotta figure out why it failed. It's probably gonna guess. I'm gonna guess that it's banned users can update install somehow. This causes data issues and auto updated periodic crashes. I'm going to guess that that's the problem. But still CloudWatch. Today, Kira account ID. Yeah, it's the same one. Fug. ASDFG, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. I really need to fix this problem, but I don't want to fix it today. So we're just going to manually fix this, manually scale up, and then manually kick off the auto update. New shoes! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Items. So now I gotta find the person that has no account ID. By scrolling through the database like a pleb. It's probably that same user. Yeah, the same fucking user. The one that GitHub told me they would stop sending me things for. This is the shadow banned user, by the way. Actions, delete. Yes. Make sure that there's not any others. Data for Tana! Thank you for the bits! Good to see you again. Hopefully you are doing well. Cool. Alright, so that should allow us to rerun this. Do we bother scaling up? I don't know that we need to. We're just gonna let auto scaling do its thing. What could go wrong? Lambda, auto updater periodic, and then test. I didn't mean for that to trigger it immediately, but I guess it's doing it. But yeah. But yeah. There's the Love Peak Alconic and the Haha Cat Baldathis. No, I won't tell you. Never mind. Okay, so this should have kicked off auto update. So now we can let it go on the graph, and we'll get a live auto update. Somebody asked what is auto update. So pre-commit CI, one of the features of pre-commit CI is that it periodically takes your versions in your pre-commit config and bumps them to the latest version. And that happens once a week. And that day that it does that, we call it auto update day. And it's every Monday. And since today is a Monday, it will auto update. And I have a little dashboard to watch it. CloudWash. And it's also like kind of a stress test of all of the pre-commit CI systems because it usually triggers a lot of runs. It'd be cool to see you try out Copilot. All right. We will do it. We will do it. Let's see if I have the setup instructions. Copilot. Setup instructions. I wanted to do this anyway. Oh. They have changed how it works. Box of Ninjas! Thank you for the reset with Prime at 7 months. Thank you for the happy birthday. It's good to see you again. I am already signed up. I already did this. Wait, no, there's a special repo that I have access to. Copilot. Copilot preview. Yes, this one. Where's the where's the setup instructions? Wait, do I no longer have access to it because I didn't do it quick enough? I think I no longer have access, chat. I think I fucked up. Let's try the alpha repo. Download a recent Copilot build. That's not what I want. That will download it on Windows. We don't need that. Hello? Where did that go? 404? Oh. I might have fucked this chat. Tony Stark, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Getting started. Here we go. Installing the extension. Visit the extension page. Install. XDG open this. Okay. Sign in. Allow. Continue. Is this gonna work? Find out in the next episode. Got to do an authenticator code. Hi. Look at my face. Because I realized that I can't drag this off screen, so you're just gonna have to look at my face while I type this in. I switched this one off of SMS because I needed. God damn it, I wasn't fast enough. Whoa! I didn't even have to press enter, it just automatically did it. Weird. Oh, shit. Sorry, give me a sec. Okay, just clicking through a bunch of auth screens. Wasn't it like 8 a.m. or something? Yeah, which should. Well, it was 11 a.m. Pacific. Do you not use Authy? I do use Authy. It's a holiday. Autoupdate took it off. Yeah, I have banned users. Well, GitHub has banned users, and they fuck up my stuff for reasons. P Fileburst says happy birthday. Thank you for learning in the open and sharing with others. Yeah, no problem. Party says they rent 1/4 of the Bay Area. Not really. It could be, but I wanted to also upgrade my lifestyle at the same time. So my rent is cheaper, but it's not 1/4. Edit filter would be faster. Doer's console view of Dynamo was as good as no school workbench. Oh, I mean, I had to scroll through 4 pages, so not a big deal. Like GitHub Dependabot? Yeah, but not broken, almost. Dependabot, but not shitty. Shaz says happy birthday. Hello, hello. Good to see you. Can't stick around, but hope you had a great day. Well, thank you for stopping by. It's good to see you. Headhunter says happy birthday. Keep up the great work and stay healthy. Well, I'm trying my best to stay healthy. Okay, so in theory, I have it set up, right? Right? Open Visual Studio Code prompted authorize. Yeah, after you have authorized extension, you'll be returned back to VS Code. Create a new JavaScript file. Okay. I don't know how to use VS Code. Open folder. We're just gonna put it in temp YY. Sure. Okay. Do you trust the authors of files in this folder? I don't trust the stuff in the virtual environment. Sure, fuck it. Why not? Alright, Tina JavaScript. Paste. Now what? Wait. GitHub Copilot will automatically suggest. Oh, it has to type the following. Hey! What do I do to accept it? Press tab to accept the suggestion. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Croissant says, what does the big blue button do? It spins. Whoa, it changed the color. That was weird. Still has the white balance problem. Stupid camera. It's Vigitoy. If you do bang blue thing, his drunk tumbler did, you can find out. Mr. Wormhole said, I see dead passwords. Oh no. Yeah, it'd be cool if it was a fun macro. Have you heard about Keeper for passwords? Keeps generating 2FA. Yeah, I mean, I have a password manager. I use Bitwarden, which also has a 2FA code thingy thing. But I don't pay for it, so yeah. But yeah, auto update is. Oops, that's from earlier. Auto update is working. I got ye old talkstev PR, which is neat. Which is neat. But yeah. Data provider says, by the way, my issue with the BDN9 is definitely an accessibility / input monitoring issue, and somehow it's totally fucked up my personal Mac, but not on my work Mac. Oh no. So I'm creating the dodgiest QMK macro that does command space, types OBS, waits, and then sends the hotkey to change the scene. Oh my god, that's so jank. Oh no. Try Python now? Something from your code base? Okay. We clone. Oh no. Why does this show my authorization token? That doesn't seem good. We're just gonna silently ignore that. RKJ! How's it going? Good to see you. With the boba emote. Nice. Yes, I trust me. Somehow. So you're saying what I should do is open up some function. Like what if I just you're saying if I just delete this and type the colon. That's actually like fairly close to the original, but not quite. Pari, thank you for the reset with Prime. Good to see you. Welcome back. Thank you for your continued support. And it's not quite right, but let's see what this one does. Subnode returns instance AST. No. Good try. Close. I mean, I got the first part right, but not this one. Probably got that from literally my code because my code is literally on. Can you type "death is shiny Pokemon"? Return Pokemon named at lower in shiny Bulbasaur, shiny Charmander, shiny Mewtwo spelled wrong. Yeah, that's actually pretty funny. Um, there isn't actually any interesting code here. What about let's just clone pre-commit. Yeah, right. Mewtwo. You can make it generate 10 different examples and choose the best with Alt Enter. Hmm. Oh, I probably don't want two VS codes running in a VM. It didn't even ask me this time. Why didn't it ask me? Is this code that you trust? This will be an interesting one. Oh, maybe not. Let's try Z split. This will be a good one, right? Alt Enter, you say? Line.decode for line in S dot split back 0. Well, that's not even correct code. This line will always generate a type error. You're saying Alt Enter generates more recommendations? Yeah, no. Good try. What happens? What happens? This one will be interesting. I feel like this is a function that's been copy and pasted into a couple of code bases. What the fuck? What? What have they done? Why? Why does it link my GitHub issue here? How do I accept it? Tab. I want to be able to copy and paste this. What? Oops. What is this GitHub issue? What? That makes no fucking sense. Also, the code generator is just like not even valid. What? Is it alt enter? Why is it not generating it anymore? That was weird. I wonder what this one generates. This function has, from the module context, it should. Oh, that's actually fairly close to what it does. Yeah, that's fairly close to the right answer. It doesn't work though. What is this? I mean, these functions I feel like ones where Copilot should be able to generate the right thing. Can't enter. This code is just garbage. Like, this isn't even syntactically correct. Well, needless to say, it needs a little bit of work. Oh, this is the same thing. If a Git is in a submodule, the remote URL will be a separate directory which is ignored by default. This sounds like something I wrote, except it's capitalized. But also not correct. Oh, surely this one should be. This one should be. Yeah, I should be able to figure this one out. Oh, not quite. Forgot about merge head. What does this one give us? Does this generate the right code? Holy shit. It literally just generated my code. This is literally just my code. This is exactly what was already there, except for the name filter. Destrin, yes, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't know how it knows about my function names though, because this is what we had before. The only difference here is this. It left this chunk out for some reason. Alt square bracket? Oh. DMCA GitHub? Yeah. Mutos, yeah. 2014, yeah. Stuff like this makes me think I need to get out of data science since we're headed for a new AI winter. Alt square bracket. Okay, I'll try that. I made it generate a leak code solution and it literally put in divide and conquer as a line of code. Oh no. Crow! Hello, hello. Good to see you. Yes, it's birthday day. Tony Stark! Hello, hello. Needs a little bit of work. Equals. It's hot garbage. Yeah, I didn't want to put that many, but can we sue GitHub? Yeah. Hey, what's up, James Boyne? Hello, hello. Can you try one in a new file? Does it need the context from the start of the code? Yeah, you can do it in a separate file as well. How good is Copilot? It's not very good. It's not very good. Type make game great. Make game great. This is just a placeholder. Oops. All right. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Tetris game? Tetris game. Oops. Yeah, he gets very far there. Anyway, it's kind of fun. I think kind of fun is about as good as I could say there. Okay, we have enqueued 200, 7,500 auto update runs. And we've triggered a scale up already, and the queue is at 40. Yeah, maybe pre-scaling would have been a better idea. Oh well. I was a bit worried about Copilot at first, but then I realized it's just suggesting snippets of seemingly other people's code. Yeah, it's not really that smart. What about something known like merge sort? Yeah, it should be able to do that. Merge sort L1 list stir L2 list stir list stir. Hello. Sort the elements of L1 and L2 and return the merged and sorted list. Adapted from Stack Overflow. Christ. Well, this looks like fucking garbage. Why would it put this shit in there? SGBU, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, this isn't correct. I would have thought I would have been able to do that too. Hey, what's up, Rasmus? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. Compiled is something I need for interviews. It might be fine for interview. It knows how to reverse a binary tree. Convert binary tree to none. And then what? Alt square bracket? Why does it have the tree as a sliceable list? In Git, a binary tree is a tree that is either empty or has exactly 2 children. I think it's taking some context from the file name. uh, well, interesting. Government at merged the Brinkman auto update, the one that we were looking at here. Yeah. Reverse the linked list is the ultimate question along with Fizzbuzz. Oh, surely I can do Fizzbuzz, right? Let's just start a new workspace. I think it's confused about the context. Interview. Code that. Yeah, tree zero equals tree zero. Yeah, that was pretty pog. New file. Main.py. Wait, what the fuck? Hello? Why did it just put main.py in main.py? I don't know how to use VS Code. Don't save. New file. Why is this so clunky? Hello? Reverse linked list. To do, right function to reverse the linked list. Real fucking useful. What is it, alt square bracket? Oh, you can cycle through them. I like this one better, but it doesn't account for none. Oh, Christ. Maybe it's using left child equals 2 times I plus 1 thing and treating it like I. Maybe. Can you try with a nonsensical name? Nev herpter. Well, hi there. It is like a very unique function for my code base. I want to see if I can get it to reproduce something directly. Why do I have at equals true? I'm gonna look at what's in this file. This is what that file contains. Don't know why. Let me just grab def. Can find long function names. And then we're gonna grab out tests. Let's grab -v. I thought we were gonna grab out tests. Let's go here. These are also tests. Fug. Filter traceback for conf. Well, we gotta get one that has a. These are all in PyTest. I want something in my code. Let's go shorter than 40. 30 character function name. There we go. We can try doing that. Set X after vertical movement. Self.x equals self.x after vertical movement. Hmm. Hey, what's up, Hermit? Hello, hello. Mr. Wormhole says, you're 2050. Hey, yeah, write a code for Fizzbuzz. So let's see what Def Fizzbuzz does. Okay. That's actually correct. And there's only one suggestion for it. What if we do N? Try and range 1 to N plus 1. Yeah, I mean, that's correct. It can do Fizzbuzz. We're good. Did you try GitHub's Copilot? That's what we're fucking around with right now. Kevin's Jailbird! Hello, hello. Good to see you again. When you save it, it will ask for a name. Oh, okay. I see. You gotta right click and select make a file, then name your file. I see. I see. Just like my real code. Yeah. Why is it so clunky? Microsoft. Yeah. That's what it says. I have a question. Not sure if you've used Python for sketching grass diagrams at all. If you have, do you think Matplotlib is the best library for it? I mean, Matplotlib is fine. I've used it before. One meathead says, what does it have to do with earthquakes? What? Are you asking if I do this, what does it do? Nothing, apparently. Your code here, return list. Please. Is earthquake. If thing is 0 equals E, return true. That's how you know it's an earthquake. Scyphal Harthy says, oh, hi, Mark. Hello. I wonder how it learns. Does it send your keystrokes and then customize the more you use it? I assume so. I don't know. I didn't read the agreement. Eagle, good to see you. Mr. Wormhole says, print devil axe. Nothing. Oh, wait, it did do something. You are now in the devil's axe room. You see a door to the north. A door 2. What do you want to do? Print 1. Go through the door to the north. Print 33. Go through. What? What if you did something like... What if you did something like boobs? What is it gonna do? Is it gonna get me banned from Twitch? Regex magic. Print, you see a beautiful. Go on. Tell me more. No, it's not gonna give me any more suggestions. Raisin, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you. Date for Todd says, I was thinking of making my own bot for Twitch and chat commands. I know you wrote yours async. It'd be a good excuse for me to learn, but from your usage, does the asyncness actually come in handy? Yeah, so some of my commands take a really long time to answer. And if it were synchronous, those would all block up. EagleBD says, what does the -- arg in most commands mean? So it usually means interpret everything after this differently. It's actually not needed in here. But in this case, it's saying, treat this as file names and not as arguments. So it's a separator. Kirk Twice is going to pass an interview. What about Fibonacci? Here we'll do fib equals lambda n. Let's see if it generates my it generates the recursive one. Does it generate? Do we have the... Interesting. 2 also correct solutions for Fibonacci. Plasma orbs, hello, hello. Let's see how it responds to regex. Let's see. Indentation equals. Oh, I gotta import RE. RE.compile. That is actually a correct regular expression for leading indentation. It's kind of cool. Oh, let me find some regex name that I have somewhere. R equals grab equals not a space. Compile. Why do I have single quote here? What am I doing? All right. B64 data URI pattern equals compile. Huh. I mean, it's fairly close. It's probably actually more accurate than this one here. Hmm. Let's do ANSI escape sequence. This one is slightly more involved than this one, but also accurate, it looks like. Alexa, thank you for the resub. At 13 months, good to see you again. Hopefully you are doing well. Thank you for your continued support. Can it make its own pair class? As pair. Almost certainly. It should be easy, right? Yeah. Oh, doesn't know about F strings though. I like how these two are only different by white space. Liz the developer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. This is the new GitHub AI magic. Yeah, it's true. It's true. If you can write Fizzbuzz, they're bound to replace us. Yeah. Juice is here. Thank you for the resub at 14 months. How you doing, Juice? How's it going? How's your Monday? Sometimes Copilot is a troll. Yeah, right. On Nightly, does it respect licenses, or can you complete GPL license code mirrored on GitHub? It does not. Um, yeah. Def generate insecure password. Nothing. Nothing. Very mature, man. Yeah. You see a beautiful boobs. Yeah. Marsma, thank you for the donation. Appreciate that. Yeah, I deserve the bonk there. Is this feature very slow? Yeah, it's pretty slow, skill killer. Um, to do rest of them will be uploaded to my OnlyFans subs for $5. Yeah. The Devil Kid, thank you for the birthday wishes. Def is even when we can def is Steven. Is even. Okay, not how I would have written this. You can just do return. Yeah, there we go. Tab. What if we do def is Steven? Steven apparently is only modulo 6. That's the only suggestion. My question is, you typing this crab, this doesn't report on earthquakes. What the fuck are you talking about, meathead? What? What are you talking about? VS Babby? Yeah. Everyone who uses Copilot gets a mixed feeling of sadness and happiness. It seems about right. Wait, Juice, you changed your color. What are we checking out, Birthday Boy? We're looking at Copilot. Just to muck around with it. Mostly stalling for time while the auto update runs. Which it's currently running. Whoa, look at that sharp decline right there. These ones must not have Fragment enabled. Should computers can write better regex than humans? I mean, generating regexes might actually be a good use of Copilot. Just says, hi, missing you on your birthday. Miss you too, Juice. Hopefully you're doing well. Can you ban people from the site? I mean, yeah. Yeah, okay, Daddy, I will try myself about F strings while you write code with me. Yeah. It looks like a glorified version of insert from Stack Overflow. Yeah, exactly. Def is P equal to MP. Uh-oh. P equals MP. Oh god, there's several solutions. Two of them are just pass. What happens if we give it a return type annotation? Does it know about those? Oh shit. P equals MP chat, we solved it. Computing is done. We might as well all quit our jobs now. Juice! Thank you for the 1,000 minutes. Wait, buddies. Oh, did you give me a Corgo? Corgo butt? Wait, that's not the Corgo butt. That's the Corgo face. Where's the Corgo butt? I feel lied to. Where's my butts? Where's my butts, Juice? I was promised butts. What if we do something like to do fuck? To fuck this shit, fuck it. Seems about right. Dark Time Lord. What? If we do is triangle n, will give us n and minus is triangle n. Oh, you know what we could do? I wonder if we could. I wonder if we could make a chatbot command. How would this work? A chatbot command where you give it code and it sticks it into VS Code and then figures out what the suggestion is from it and then spits it back in a chat. Do you think that would be possible? I don't know how to script VS Code though, so maybe not. But that would be pretty cool. Can we make it write Terraform? Let's try. I feel like the Terraform stuff might actually be good. New file. Just on TF. Resource. My lambda. Oh wait, that's AWS lambda function. My lambda. Oh wait, it doesn't. So Copilot only works for a couple programming languages. That's right. It only works for like Python, Ruby, and JavaScript right now. So yeah. RIP cryptography, yeah, exactly. GG says Kurotan, yeah. My favorite one is the one that just said to do implement code. Yeah, exactly. We did it, chat. Oh, you mean biddies. Oh, I see. I understand. I see. But there is the Corgo butt. Yeah, the juice butt. Def the booty. Let's see. Def the booty. She do be not giving me the thing. Oh, wait, we got something. Print, you have the following items. You have a booty now. You found the booty. Here are the butts. Twitch writes code, yeah. Time to Wireshark the internal VS Code API calls. Yeah. Copilot def bro. It'd be ironic to break a Copilot TOS given its own license violations. Yeah. You should pick problems from code forces and have the bot solve them. Yeah. You have the following items, the booty. Yeah. It'd be fun if it worked for something like fourth, then you wouldn't even know it was wrong. It's true, it's true. Oh, you want me to generate a URL? What if we do only fans? Wait, what is this URL? This should be safe, right? Onlyfans.github.io. That's 404. Onlyfans.com/python. I don't think that's a thing. Whose Twitter does it? Does it? Evan T. You are the winner, Evan T. What the fuck? This dude has 1 follower. What? Why would it suggest a 1 follower account? Ban incoming. You can use GPTJ instead of Copilot. It's open source. Follow him? No. No. Whose GitHub profile does it do? Come on, show me. No. We got Al's in there. Interesting. Okay, how's the auto update doing? How are we doing here? We're not that far into it. We've done 1,000 so far, and we kicked it off at 45, and it's been 40 minutes, and we've done 1,000. That's pretty fast. Does it recommend a Twitch channel? It's probably gonna be like Ludwig. Shrouded Darkness. Do any of you know this channel? They're gonna be like a one channel. No, they don't even exist. Rip. They probably like did Shroud and then like I don't know. Haven't got an email yet, so you're still chugging. Yeah, it's true. It's true. They just made it up. Yeah, the AI was like, "This is my Twitch channel now." Okay, I'm gonna fill up my water. I'm gonna go grab another beer. So I'll be right back. Oh, I'm like 1 hour past when I'm supposed to get water. Does Copilot know about Anthbonk? Anthbonk. Anthbonk's solution to the problem. What is Anthbonk's solution to the problem? Apparently, nothing. Nothing, chat. Just gonna keep doing this forever. Does that show up literally on GitHub? Anthbonk. Oh, it auto-corrected. If you search Anthbonk, do you get something? No, you don't. Google doesn't even know about Anthbonk. What about Anthonk? Does know about Anthonk? Oh, that would have been such a good Twitter name now that I think about it. Should I change my Twitter name to Anthbonk? Data Furtado says, did you change anything in the room? I feel like there's less echo today than on Saturday. I changed 2 things. I moved the microphone closer to my face. I decreased its power, and I threw a bunch of junk on the floor in this room. So it may have slightly made it better, but I've ordered acoustic dampening panels, so I'll be putting those up later this week. Secret alt Twitter for being horny? Yeah. Yeah. Then I can be horny on not mean, right? Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna go fill up my water, grab another beer. I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. We are drinking the New Holland Peanut Butter Poet. Had some New Holland. I've had their Poet before, which is a oatmeal stout. I assume this is a peanut butter oatmeal stout, which I am hyped about. Certainly smells like one. Um, oh, and I gotta show water, of course. A little heady there. Ooh, that's good. Oh my goodness. Grandma's iPad. Thank you for the gift subs to Jazz Lucy at 5 months, The Armchair General, Mim Slade at 4 months, Stroth J, and Slayer 287 in at 4 months. That name's not familiar. Slayer must have changed their Twitch handle. But there you go, chat. I had this like weird idea before stream. I was like, what if I wore 2 shirts just so just so when gift subs happen, I would have 2 sets of buttons to really mess with y'all. But no, that would have been silly. Oh yeah, and I gotta show water. Fleek, I got water. Oh, but I'm super behind on chat now. Bum 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 bum. Time to make an Urban Dictionary page on Anthbonk? Oh no. Huh. So it's definitely a peanut butter stout, but it's very subtle about it. Huh. It's pretty good though. Limited release. Oh, well, I'm glad I got to try it while it was limited release. Bitcoin's value for the next month. Bitcoin. Bitcoin project value. 0. Bitcoin value next month. 0. Yep. See, it knows. It knows, Mr. Wormhole. Better fucking sell. Joe Haga, hello. Good to see you. Ezekiel, hello. Good to see you again. Wow, Grandma's iPad, you've gifted 57 gift subs to the channel. Oh, dude. When's the FTL portion of the stream? Maybe I'll play some FTL tonight. I'm gonna go out to dinner with my dad though later. Jack W. Bird says, have you tried running the frequency I runs in Lambda, or is it too expensive / slow? So the hard part about doing it in Lambda is I need fine-grained control over the container runtime so that I can not give secrets to arbitrary code execution. And it certainly would be possible in Lambda, but it would be way more complicated than what I'm doing right now. And I think it actually would be more expensive than what I'm doing as well, because I would have to store Docker images in ECR because I would need Docker to do it. And I would need like 3 levels of Lambda. One to like do the controller, one to actually run the hooks, and then another to look at the results at the end. It would certainly be possible, but it would be very tricky. Grandma's iPad says that's where all my winning bet. Oh no. PNP and Bitcoin value are correct, just not smart enough to prove. Yeah. Yeah. That wouldn't require ECR. Wait, what do you mean custom runtime? Oh, you mean like custom Lambda layers? Well, the Precomment CI base image is more than a gig, so it wouldn't fit in the 50 megabyte limit. So I would need to use ECR. Momdy says, "Is your birthday?" It is indeed. I'm 30. I'm really old. Feels yeah. Hey, what's up? I'm Gifty. Leveled up. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You can technically pull from S3 for Lambda. Not sure about images though. Yeah, for Docker images, they need to be in ECR. Welcome to the Boomer Club. Yikes, that's rough. That's rough. I've been working in C# at work lately. It's a great language to work with. I miss Pregment though. Pregment has C# support through the .NET thing. I think RKJ is in chat and added that support. Def save item to S3. Def save item to S3. Why it do that? Oh no, it leaks the file descriptor. No. No. I mean, it kind of works, but also not really. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Appreciate that. Okay, let's see how our auto update is going. We've scaled up and then slightly down. Interesting choice. So, is this usually where we see? Is this the first spike or is this the second spike? Because usually we see a spike at the beginning, but I don't know if this is the one that we normally see or something else. Oh, also mine have started funneling in. Notifications. Yes, look at my PRs. We can get the green squares for today. Okay, but what I actually wanted to work on today is mucking around with the Docker update. Why do you run the auto update weekly and not stagger it? What do you mean, Jack W. Burge? What would the difference be? All right, pipe grade updated. Are you suggesting that I, run each user's scheduled offset from each other? I mean, I could do that, but there's no benefit, and this is simpler. Um, because I can pre-scale, I can, decide the load, I can decide the rate, and if something goes wrong, it happens at a predictable time instead of an unpredictable time. But it does do it serially, so like I'm already doing stuff to manage the rate, but I had to do that. I had to do that so that GitHub doesn't block me, because GitHub's abuse limits were kicking in if I tried to increase the parallelism. Oh, I do have a text message. Oh, my dad's already in Ann Arbor. He's like, when do you want to go to dinner? Huh. Well, let's what new notification? Uh-oh. Where did it go? Did I just delete it? No, we handled all those. But yeah, I think we're gonna let oh, here we go. Oh, it's the auto deploy messages. Yeah, I gotta fix that. This is my automatic deploy system working as intended. I'm gonna at least finish this beard before we end stream, so we got some time to go. Reason says, do you know a way to unzip file those 40 to 50 gigs and put them into S3 using Lambda? So Lambda has very, very limited memory and disk. So you're going to have a very difficult time doing that. Also, I think Python's zip. Actually, I think zip in general requires you to serialize the whole thing into memory. Um, oh yeah, EFS. Yeah, you can use EFS. Yeah, you can do that. You can do that. That's true. So you could use a big EFS store. EFS is like slow NFS, but Amazon dollars. So you could use EFS and extract onto that, and then um, use that as a scratch space. I still don't know. I don't know whether. I don't remember whether zip is one of the formats where it needs to serialize the whole thing or not. So you would have to experiment with that. I know that there are compression formats that are um, not Big Bang ones, not full memory, not what's the word? Incremental. Or you could do something like that. Marsha says mana mana mana. Wait, what? Mana mana? Mana mana? Do 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 do. Mana mana. Is that what you're going for? I don't know. Do 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 do. Okay, so what I want to do, or what I want to figure out, is the Docker APIs. So here's my thought about how I want to add images or add languages to pre-commit CI and make it scalable. So you can imagine a Docker file. A Docker file is essentially from base and then run whatever, etc. Say we have a bunch of these runs. And what this translates to is an image, which is basically a linked list of layers. Um, I don't know why they keep getting wider or are slightly offset from each other, but you can imagine it as a linked list of layers. So, these are all linked. And basically what you can do is if you tag a particular point, so let's tag this as minimal and tag this as maximal. What you can do is if I want the minimal version, that will just download this chunk of, give me the square, no, give me the square, square. That'll download this chunk of data here. Segfalter, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. And if you've already downloaded the minimal and then you want to download more, or say you want to download maximal after that, that will just incrementally download these two layers that you need here. Greedlaw, thank you for the follow. Welcome. That's kind of how Docker works. What I want to do is basically make each of these layers. So I want a minimal image that I can pull and get up and running. And then I want to be able to incrementally pull every other image. And I think there's a way to store raw files in GHCR, but I think it would be nicer to not do it that way. I think it'd be nicer to just have like a maximal image. This way people could just download this image to test stuff. But pre-commit CI wouldn't actually use this maximal image. But my thought is that like this would be, I don't know, the Go layer. This would be the Rust layer, etc., etc. And so what pre-commit CI would do is it would pull the minimal image, then it would look at the manifest of the maximal image and pull each layer as it needed it. Assuming that the Docker API gives me enough information to figure out which layers are which and to download individual layers at the same time. That is my thought. That's the brain shenanigans I've been doing while driving. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna investigate it. Zizru says, "Oh, Second Sports Rust." Yeah, Sports Rust. It's pretty cool. Sports all sorts of stuff. Griffin Park says from base rim. Paint is the best IDE. Yeah, you're right. Game Stational. Welcome to the stream, Game Stational. We do a lot of paint here. We do a lot of paint. Let's see, Docker API. No, I don't want to do that. Registry. Yeah, that's what I want. Registry API. Hello? An API by the library / Ubuntu. Okay, so if we just do curl GHCR dot, what is the GHCR? That's right. GHCR.io / w2 / pre-commit CI / run image. Done. Curl -v. Redirect. -- location. Not found. Fuck me. How is this API supposed to work? API design is driven heavily by content addressability. v2 / name / manifest / reference. The name and reference parameter and identify the image are required. Reference may include a tag or a digest. Okay, so if we do manifest / this. It is my birthday, Summersoft. How you doing? Pronouns. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Unauthorized authentication required. What? I don't think that's true. It's anonymous. Unless this is just broken and falling back to to falling back to Docker Hub, which is entirely possible, and that's part of the reason that I put in the. Why did I do this? What am I doing? Why did I? Just muscle memory approved that PR. Just disregard that. Pretend that never happened. But yeah, I don't know why this is requiring. Oh, do I want head? 401. Why is it requiring auth? Yeah, this works anonymously, so there's some other endpoint that this must be getting. Oh, are we gonna be able to get this with strace? No, it's probably gonna be HTS. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Yasin? Hello, hello. Good to see you. I wonder if it's a user agent thing. Yeah, I expected this to work. What does pipe ampersand do? Oh yeah, I should make a video about that. Explains with no video idea pipe ampersand. So what it does is if you have if you have standard out and 1 to 2, standard out and standard error. So let's say I piped standard out to dev null. You'll see that we still see standard error, and if we do standard error to dev null, we still see standard out. So what pipe does is if we do pipe we're gonna install lolcat just so we can see what's going on. No. Oh boy. We'll just ignore this up here. I don't quite know what happened there. But the cool thing about lolcat is it rainbowifies stuff so we can see the color difference. So if we pipe the output here to lolcat, you'll see that it is only coloring standard out, which is where this echo. Whoa, who's in? That's weird. It's out of order to what I expect, but I guess it means. I mean, in general, when you deal with two streams, you can't order them properly. Ace, thank you for the sub at tier 1. Appreciate that. Hello. So yeah, that's what a normal pipe does. If you do the pipe ampersand, it sends both standard out and standard error to the piped input of the next program. So it was a way for me to grep. I mean, I could have just used standard error in the actual use case that I had above, where I did. Oops. Where I did grep. I was really looking to grep this strace output, which strace sends its stuff to standard error and not standard out. So I could have just used 2 to 1 and then ampersand. I don't know. Hey, Stevo Bandito, 3 months in a row, 12 total. That gets you a fancy new badge. Thank you for the resub, Stevo Bandito. Appreciate that. It's good to see you again. Hello. Yeah, I don't know that we're gonna actually get anything done this stream, but you know, we're trying. How's our auto update working? Moved yet? Yeah. As you can tell, there's no bed behind me. So I am in a new place. And it is not quite set up yet, which is why the that's why my sound quality is not so great. There's an echo. I don't know if RTX voice filters out my claps, but there's an echo. It's not great. Doesn't also mean running a session in the background. Yeah, so ampersand by itself will run a thing in the background. So this little background, this thing, it happens to also complete immediately, so it does this, but yeah. But you lose standard error and standard out when piped in. Why is there no standard in error? Yeah, it would be interesting if there were two input streams. I don't know how that would work, but it would be interesting. Why is there no standard in error? Yeah, good question. I mean, you can always input from any other. There's no standard in error because the customer is always right. DDoS, PS, indeed. It does a really weird thing with your claps. Let's see what it does without RTX. Touch my mouse. There it is. That should be just like normal. But anyway, here's RTX again. But yeah, I mean, you can have multiple input streams, but those are just files. You just open a file and read a file. So I don't know that there would make sense to have multiple piped inputs. You can have anonymous pipes, I guess. Those sounded like human claps again. I am a robot. Beep boop. Okay, this seems to be going well. This is kind of the same spike that we always see, so it's not really a thing. Anonymous pipes, yeah. Let's see if I have a calm command in my scroll back. Yeah, here we go. So this redirection parenthesis, this makes a, I guess not anonymous pipe. I guess they're named pipes, technically. I think about them as anonymous in my head because they're anonymous files. Dino said, letting Pseudo out and then get some food with friends sounds good. Well, thank you for stopping by. It's always good to see you. But yeah, this makes a named pipe, which I guess is the opposite of an anonymous pipe. It's an anonymous file. It's a way to make multiple inputs into. Yeah, I guess this is exactly what you were asking, Jack W. Bridge. This is a way to make multiple inputs into a thing that expects files, but you don't have files, you have pipes. So this is, this makes a pipe from the output of sort into the first argument or the second argument of com, and this makes a pipe from the output of this sort command into the third argument of com. And then all of this is in a subshell that I run Babby against. But yeah, fancy stuff. But I don't know why. I don't know why this isn't working. Client should include an accept header which manifests content types of support. Oh, that's probably what I'm missing. In a successful route, the content type header will indicate which manifest type is returned. Oh my god. Fat manifest. That sounds like what we want, right? Curl dash H. Accept this. Unauthorized. Why no? Why are you unauthorized? Girl Mark. Hey girl, you got a fat manifest. Do you find a shame when API docs aren't open API? Yeah, I know, right? Well, let's try the non-fat manifest. Excuse me, it should be a womanifest, please. Personifest. V1. Weird. Name your named pipe and oh no. Dr. Rich says, been doing stuff with Salesforce. Oh god, Salesforce APIs. I'm so sorry. Oh, we got another auto update. I'm gonna get a bunch of auto updates soon. 7 new notifications. Hello? Oh, pre-commit. Oh, pre-commit. Yeah, the emails. The emails, they flow. This one's nice and fast, though, at least. The other builds are not fast, though. Oh, this one should be quick. Actually, most of these should be quick. Ah! But yeah, that's what you get for a live auto update. But yeah, since PyUpgrade upgraded, all of my repos use PyUpgrades. It's going to take a long time. 230 plus badly documented API points. Oh my. Holy shit. At least they have Postman collection. I just. I do not miss working with Salesforce. I had to do that a little bit at Yelp, and it was not even. It wasn't even because I was on the Salesforce team. It's because I was helping the Salesforce team. Or this, what do they call themselves? Like internal infrastructure or some shit, or data, data third party. They had some weird team name that like didn't help me understand what they did. But anyway, I had to help them with Salesforce shit, and it was not fun. Okay, so why do I have to authenticate here, but Podman is fine? What am I missing here? Justin says you could force devs who work on a project on GitHub to run tests before they commit changes to master branch. How would you go about doing that? I would add a CI. I mean, here, I can actually show you how I do that for pre-commit CI. Pre-commit CI/web. So what I have set up here is a GitHub workflow that runs the tests. So you can see here it runs PyTest tests, runs PyTest tests, and when I make pull requests, it runs them. So you can see get ran main here. This is the thing that ran the tests. PyTest tests. Yeah, you can see tests ran. And then what I do with specifically with GitHub, if you're working with something else, you would. Oh, how would you do that anywhere else? You would have to pre-receive hook. I don't know how that would work. But anyway, I then have a branch protection rule, and the branch protection rule requires these two status checks to pass. So both, pre-commit CI must pass, and the main tests have passed as well. And so that's how I require tests to merge into the main branch. That works really well. Maybe I should make a video about that. Video idea required CI checks. Yeah. Marcia says, I just bought a loot game on Steam because it was under the roguelike deck building dice. Hey, baby, do you want to build my deck? Is that why you fucking bought it, Marcia? Or you have, if you have the Australian accent, they just say dick. You want to build my dick? I think you get to play. I don't know what that word is. I'm not going to search that on stream. Is that just like a fancy word for slut? Yep. It totally is. A demon or supernatural entity in folklore in female form that appears in dreams to seduce men, usually through sexual activity. How would you seduce men without sexual activity? Wait, what? Wait, what? According to religious traditions, repeated sexual activity with a succubus can cause poor physical or mental health, even death. Thanks, Wikipedia. I've been a slut for a reason. Yeah. Money, says Lime Crashy. I guess that's fair. By offering them shiny Pokemon. By showing them some clean code. Fuck, you guys are all right. Skip Killer says you have so many repos on GitHub, and so much of your repos get pull requests after an update or so. Can you explain why there are so many repos and why you get so many PRs? Well, a lot of my PRs are automated, first off. But also a lot of my shit's important and does stuff that's useful. I don't know how to put that any other way. I work on stuff that like I think is useful, and I think a lot of other people think is useful as well. Joey says, does Podman use the endpoint you're testing? It's possible the first n bytes of a regular old anonymous pull contain the manifest you're requesting. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the endpoint is so I can hit it without using Podman. Um, but I must be hitting something differently, or with a different user agent, or with a different request, or a different endpoint. I don't know. I must be doing something wrong because Podman allows anonymous pulls, but my curl is not. With an attractive personality. Yeah, there we go. Just let someone break pie test, nothing bad would happen. Yeah. Pie test has brain protection, but we bypass it occasionally. Because some of our checks are flaky. But yeah. From the badly formatted docs page, if a 401 unauthorized is returned, the client should take action based on the contents of the authenticate header and try the endpoint again. Well, I've never done Podman login, so it should allow me to access it anonymously. I don't know why it's not allowing that at the moment. And I could probably strace to figure it out, but or I wonder if Docker Pi lets me do it, and then I could look at how Docker Pi does it. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll look at Docker Pi. I don't know who you fucking tab. Now let's look at how Docker Pi does it. As much as and I'm not going to use Docker Pi, but I want to see how they do it. Is it pip install Docker now? Yeah, that seems right. Their package is broken! Sick! Why would their package be working properly? Huh? Import error. Rice module not found. Error 6. Oh. Wait, no, that's literally from Docker Auth. Yeah. Duplicative 2842. This has been fucking broken since May? Holy shit. Well, that's fucking embarrassing. What do they even use 6 for? God damn it. Never mind. Skilled Color says, do you have experience with email headers? I want to automatically forward mail to another email address, and behind this address is a system that should automatically sort mails based on the original recipient. Yes. Unfortunately, I do. In Python, it's really easy because there's an email module that does all the parsing for you, and then you don't have to do any complicated stuff. But yeah. Docker Pi list layers or image. Shaz! Thank you for the reset with Prime 5 months in a row. At 15 total. Shaz, my guy. Thank you for the reset. I appreciate it. We'll have to like actually hang out sometime. I'll come back to San Francisco sometime and we'll actually hang out in person. Because I feel like you're a real life friend even though I haven't met you yet. You know? Is that weird? Am I intruding? Shaz with the pog. Yeah, there we go. Docker Pie, get up. Have they dropped Python 3? If they've dropped Python 3, like, there's no reason for them to use 6. Why are they at 5.0? Setup.py and CFG. Oh, they're still using classic setup py. Oh. Oh, they're 3.6. Why do they have 6? Oh, I don't want to send them a pull request. There's no reason for them to use 6 if they're in Python 3 only. Like, what we could do. What we could do is pip install pipgrade and get ls file startup by exarch by upgrade pip6 plus and rewrite all their fucking code. Oh, look at how nice this is. Look at this fucking F string. Oh, this shit's so nice. But get rid of all of this 6 shit. This is gonna be like 6 imported but unused. Get grab that shell 6. Import HTTP client as HTTP-lib. Alright. Pipegrade doesn't know about this yet. Dict type. What the fuck? Why would they do this? That seems like a bad idea. Oops. And if my name is 6, shit. If true, import Q import. They don't have an import sorter, so fuck it. Girl Admirer says you write comments in your code. You are experienced. This isn't my code. And I guess I do sometimes write comments, but Ugh, relative imports. I don't know. They just cause trouble. Yeah, fuck relative imports. Shan says, what did you just call me? Wait, what? Panda Wan says, Ayo, happy birthday. Thank you, thank you. Yes, 5th of July. Indeed, indeed. Girl Admirer says, write more comments so we can understand it, make it better for you. Yeah, I mean, sometimes I write comments. I feel like function names are Oh, that was in reference to the date. Yeah. If 6 done by 2, okay, that can just go away. Pipe grade should really know how to do those at some point, but it does not yet. Uber indented. This is a bug in pipe grade that I have not fixed yet. No? That's not a bug in pipe grade. That's just their code is shitty. I should not change that line. Disable buffering is assigned to but never used. Oh, yeah. Unix, HP response. No longer used. Circ. I should run it on the test too. Why am I doing this? I feel like I don't need to do this because no one is ever going to accept my pull requests. If true. That was unrelated to my change. We'll send this pull request, right? Fuck it, why not? Socket server. Yeah, it's just normal socket server. Panda One says we're birthday twins. Oh, well, happy birthday, Panda One. Great. Guess all great minds are born on July 5th. You're assuming I have a great mind, right? Still, I should not change their code, yeah. Good fucking code, changed like a ghost. Ain't that some shit? Wow, that was slow. I should make Flake faster. Oh, wait, I have plans to do that. Socket server. HP God server. We still have a 6. Get fucked 6. Skip if Python 3. Schlex does not support bytes in Python 3. Lol. Somehow this got auto fixed. I don't know why. We delete that. Data Frittata says, gotta go to bed. Have a lovely rest of your day. See you on the next one. Thank you for stopping by, Data Frittata. It's always good to see you. Jack Diverge says, can you make Bodo 3 faster? That'd be beautiful. I probably could, but do I actually want to? Holy shit, this is a big patch. Do we send this, chat? Do we send this patch? Do we PR this? Do it? Ship it? 6 plus. Use Python 3.6 plus constructs. Should I run their tests? How do I run their tests? Oh, they have a tox. Oh, this kills me. It kills me, chat. It kills me. I'll see what happens. Isn't the problem Idris is design not really Boto 3? Hey, you're right, Summersoft. You are right there. Yeah, Boto 3 is fucking whack. Oh, it probably assumes I have Docker installed. That's what I'm guessing all these fails are. Change displays. Yeah. It's gonna be one of those PRs that I open and it sits around for 12 months and then never gets merged. Alright. What? Hello? You what, mate? Hello? This must be Podman. I'm just gonna make pull request, see what happens. What could go wrong? They use GitHub Actions? Oh, they use GitHub Actions? I am impressed. I'm very impressed. They just run the unit tests. What could go wrong? Alright. This is gonna be an annoying patch, but... do we have the original issue that I was mad about? $28.42. This is $28.42. I originally found that installing Docker is broken because because 6 is missing a dependency. But since BunkerPy is Python 3.6 plus, there's really no reason to continue to use 6. So what I did is I ran upgrade against DockerPy, and then I fixed the few things that they pointed out afterwards. This should officially drop the Python 2 compatibility and use Python 3.6 plus. Only... Oh god, what have I done? Hello? What did I do? Constructs. I must have done Windows key left. I do want to scroll through the change and see all the nice things that PyUpgrade does. Oh, it's so good. F strings. Oh man, getting rid of object. Unnecessary R. It would be nice if it could F string this, but yeah. Wow. I'm impressed that it rewrote that one. Ah, new super? Oh man, so good. This one could have been inline, but 0.format E, F string, sick. Oh, yield from sarcastic Dante. Look at this shit right here. Fucking sick. New Super, yeah, New Super, so good. So good. F string, oh man. And iter items? Fucking chef kiss right there. Man, pie upgrade is so good. It's so good. Steven Medeiros is 5 out of 7. Mmm. Yummy. Alright, I'm like 1/3 of the way through. I'm sure it's fine. Let's create it and be sad. I was thinking Chef Kiss 2, but I didn't have an emote for it. Shouldn't it be 3 out of 6? Because Python 3 and 6? I can see that. Uh-oh. Oh, fucking DCO. Little s? The stupid DCO. DCO is fucking stupid. Well, DCO is fine. It's CLAs that are stupid. Hey, DCO's happy now. Fuck you, DCO. Jenkins. Jenkins. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no. Oh god, run. Yeah, this is a mistake, chat. What have you let me into? I regret everything. Oh my god. My email right now. That's auto update day. Wow, that was a real drum click. But it's easy. We're just gonna click through all these and merge them, so not a huge deal. So, I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to get some stuff done today, but we're not gonna get stuff done today. And that's just the way things go. We made that pull request. That's gonna have to be good enough. We'll continue working on the stuff that I wanted to work on as the week goes on. I'm gonna try and stream more though, because oh, there's a lot of yellows here. I'm gonna try and stream more though, because I am in Eastern time and I don't have a bunch of shit to do because I'm not moving. So there's potential that I will be able to stream more. And if I'm streaming more, it's gonna be in more EU friendly times. So maybe I can improve my viewership and such again. Oh, this bumped ESLint as well. Cool. I still haven't finished AOC 2019. Oh, I'm so sad about that. At some point we'll finish it. Hey, their test passed, so there is potential that this will get merged, but also if we look at recently merged pull requests, the last activity is 7 days ago. So you got auto update running, you got other stuff. Yeah, that's true, that's true. I didn't get nothing done. Auto update ran. Is it 0 yet? Nope. Oh, yeah, it's a 0. So auto update is done. Yeah, I mean we got this done. It's good. We didn't have any dead letter this week, so that's good. You're right. It's non-zero. I just feel like it could have been more. You know? The tabs, oh god, yeah. Chrome says num 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 on the RAM. Well, I have so much RAM that it doesn't fucking matter. So yeah, I'm only using 25 or 24 gigs of RAM. So I'm good. I'm good on that. Jenkins is okay when it's not a whiny shithead. Jenkins is fine. Jenkins' response was amazing. Do we ever want to know what it's doing? Yeah. More importantly, you got other people to be able to get stuff done tomorrow. It's true. It's true. Is Jenkins good? I don't know. I can't navigate. 64 gigs of RAM, 50 of it used for tabs. I actually ran out of RAM recently. I was doing a prime test because I wanted to. I had like a weird fan issue where my fans were spinning up and being obnoxious for some reason, and I wanted to stress test my computer, and I actually ran out of RAM. Flomo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I am in my new place, Dick Handler. Neil Server, I'm glad my 5 to 6 p.m. stream is perfect for you. That was part of the plan. Move to Eastern time, get all those European viewers. Hell yeah. Totally intentional. But I'm glad that you can watch at a more reasonable hour for your So all the ones that are done are ones where I don't have tests and it's just pre-commit CI. The ones that are not done, I need to run tests, so those are queuing. But I can click the merge button on these ones at least. Because pre-commit CI is super fast and doesn't really, kind of blows Azure pipelines out of the water. Which I don't want to toot my own horn, but at the same time, I'm really happy with what I've made. I feel like it's very good at what it does, and it's very fast at what it does. So I don't know. I'm happy with it. Hope you're digging it. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with my new place. I don't know. It's different. It's very different, of course, but it's nice. I will give you a tour once things are more set up. There's, I don't know. I still have some disasters, some unpacking disasters that I need to fix. But I will get those in a more working order and get stuff right again. The other services, I think my DNS is broken in. Oh no. Google does not work, GitHub does not work, but Twitch does. Hey! Well, clearly you should just watch Twitch all day. And it'll all be good. Esports God Raj says, hey, how's it going? It's going well. It's going well. It is going well. Our update succeeded today, so what else? What else can I say? This graph looks, it's pretty normal. This spike is pretty normal. We should look at queue time. Ooh, 4 minutes. That's probably because I didn't pre-scale. That's not great, but also not bad. If I say like SLA at 5 minutes, we're still good. Wings type. Good to see you again. It's been a while. I feel like. Has it been a while? Maybe you just don't talk in chat much. Anyway, it's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Thank you for the resub. Thank you for your continued support. Welcome, welcome. Decalander says, drink some red wine, give us Stuart. Bro, I've been drinking some beer. I don't have much left. I don't have any left. Oh, that's so good. Dino says, I've waited hours for CI runs before. 5 minutes for linting for PR or auto updates seems super acceptable. Yeah, that's what I feel. That's what I feel as well. But it used to be like 10 minutes. So 4 minutes is a big improvement from 10 minutes. And I think I could still make this better. Because if you look here, see this orange prepare error duration? This is the reason that it takes 4 minutes. Is something takes 2.5 minutes to fail. And yeah. Dot push. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Wings time says I always forget to resubmit with Prime. It's all good. It's all good. You still sub with Prime, and I appreciate it. Those of you that don't know about Prime, if you have Amazon Prime, you can get Twitch Prime. And if you have Twitch Prime, you can sub to one streamer per month for free. It doesn't have to be me, but if it was me, no, I'm trying to pull a Ludwig here and be like, someone Twitch Prime, but no, I'm not big enough streamer that it matters. G-Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Codier, I haven't seen you in a while. Hello, hello. Jack Burge says, try a day when you have an automated perf test run. I mean, every Monday is an automated perf test run for Frequency Eye, for better or worse. For better or worse. Prime Gaming, they've actually renamed it back. Diva Bandito. So many people were like, Prime Gaming, fuck is this shit? They renamed it back to just Prime Subs, so it's normal again. Flomo says, thank you for having me, by the way. Don't know much about coding, but got intentions to dig into the surface of it one day. You're chillin' though. Well, welcome to the stream, Flomo. I'm glad you're interested in programming. If you want to check out my YouTube channel, I have a lot of programming content there where you can learn stuff and get better at programming in general, especially this playlist. Check out this playlist. But yeah, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Yassine says, my boss who has no computer science knowledge sent me a folder and it was supposed to have a text file that had some API creds. The folder was empty and he spent 30 minutes saying, could you check again if you could find the TXT? Oh no. Oh my god, that's hilarious. I feel like managers in technology should have some amount of technology education, but it doesn't always work out that way. Is AWS CloudWatch any good? I think it's fine. It works fine for me. Fair enough. Yeah, no problem, Bandito. Yeah, I was pretty keen on memeing on, Prime Gaming subs, and then they renamed it, and then my joke was no longer funny. But I feel ya. I definitely made the same. Oh, Prime Gaming. Look at Twitch trying to be a gaming platform, while I'm sitting here writing code and. I mean, how do you have Prime Gaming for fucking hot tub streamers? Never mind. We don't need to. We don't need to give hot tub streamers more of a platform than they already have. Why did these ones not? Oh, because these tests take longer. Right. Right. Hello? Okay. Coder says, took a break from programming / coding. Oh, I see. Shouting Cup. Hello, hello. Welcome. I don't visit often, but happy birthday. Thank you very much. Good to see you. Welcome. Shaz said, my face when I try to figure out Puppet for the first time, even with an AWC. Yeah, Puppet's kind of complicated. What I would maybe try and do is clone or fork my Puppet repo, delete most of the files, and start from there. I think that would be the best way. How's it going? Thank you for the happy birthday. Oh no. I just saw myself. I'm gonna be a little bit more modest. Good to see you. We're both in Eastern time now. But we're still pretty far away. You look great. Thank you. Yikes. But yeah, we're in closer time zones now. I'm planning to go to New York at some point, so maybe if I visit, we should hang out and say hi or whatever. Alabama man returns. Wait. Are you? Fuck, what was your name before? Are you? You changed your name, right? You were Shit. What was your name before? Did you try it? Yeah, I have RTX voice, so if I get excited, it cuts me out. If by wasted you mean manage more sauce. That's right. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that. But yeah, I have RTX voice on to try and deal with the echo until I get um, noise canceling um, acoustic wall things soon. But yeah. Smalls Devs says, sorry to ask this, but maybe you responded to this question a million times. What is the blue thing in the middle of your keyboard? Haha. Ah, Shaz has got me. It's a fidget toy. It spins. It it just spins. It's kind of a fun thing. It's DYT0. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. And welcome to the stream. As we do. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get much more done today. It's been a fun birthday. I'm gonna go get dinner with my dad before he sits around for too long and I feel too bad about it. Uno Dos 3, thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate that. It's good to see you again. Welcome back. But yeah, I'm gonna do my little spiel. Then we're gonna find another channel to hang out with. Oh god, I didn't realize I was still in the scene. But yeah, my name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube. That is youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where you can find previous streams as well as educational content that I try and upload daily. However, I have been really busy, so I have not uploaded in a while. But once I get my noise canceling, I'm going to record a bunch of videos. Then you're going to have a bunch of new content, which will be cool. G-Man, thank you for the happy birthday. Appreciate that. And mine too, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I normally stream on Monday evenings in Eastern time and Saturday at noon in Eastern time. However, I will be trying to stream more and more. I announce those streams in two places. One of those is Twitter, twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I say what I'm gonna work on. Sometimes we work on it. Today we did not get to that at all. Twitter, YouTube. I also announce my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join. It is a cool place to hang out. Yeah, there's a beginners channel if you want to ask questions about anything. There's, memes, general discussion, etc. Animals, food, whatever you want to talk about. There's a place to talk about it. Cool little community. Please join. It's real fun. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by, and we're gonna go find someone to raid.